Scheduling in family time can be tough, but a little order in your life can make all of the difference. To tell us more about that, of course, our organizing expert, Vicki Norris, joining us today. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Stephanie.
Thank you for coming in. Okay, so you say kind of the biggest thing is reorganizing your family.
That's right. Well, getting organized is to have one primary benefit, in my opinion, and that is to reclaim your life. And what's more important than the people that you love the most, right?
Yeah.
So getting organized is really about reclaiming that family time, because when people are disorganized, family life suffers, the home suffers. And so today I have some tips for us to reclaim both your space and your time to restore family.
Very important. It is the big goal, right? Okay, so the first step, organize gathering spaces. What does that mean exactly?
Okay, so a lot of people have clutter all over their home, and there's no place for the family to gather. And so pictured here is our own gathering room at our farm, Dream Acres.
Beautiful.
And as you can see, we've got all these different little furniture setups, and they can be moved around for parties, for conversations, for our little family meetings that we have. The point is to have a cozy space for your family to have conversation, to have fun, and just to gather up. It may seem simple, but a lot of people's gathering spaces are non-existent or cluttered.
Yeah, absolutely. And then you have that feeling you're carrying it with you. Okay, next step, create an annual calendar.
Yes, I love this one. This might be my favorite tip because it is so exciting. I hope every viewer does this after they see this segment. So what this is to sit down as a family and make your bucket list, make your dream list of everything that you want to do this year. And I like to see people do this on Post-it notes. So everybody gets to put, you know, that they want to go to this campground, or they want to take this trip, or they want to see this concert. And then you organize them all, and then you actually activate them into your calendar. So this gives the family something to look forward to. This gives them something to save towards. And it puts the family as a family unit working towards something.
I like the Post-it idea, the visual of that.
Yeah, it's a great strategic planning tool.
Okay, next, create a family gallery.
Okay. A lot of us have our pictures in our devices these days. That's nice, but it doesn't give your home a sense of belonging. And so what I love to do is create a family gallery somewhere in the home so everyone can enjoy the family photos and the memories. And this picture is our own family gallery. You can see I've used black and white photos. There's a little wedding picture in there.
Yeah, I love that. I've been putting this off, and you need to do it. It makes your space feel like a home, right?
It does. It gives you a feature wall. As you can see, I put in some architectural elements. So it's kind of a decor thing as well, but it just gives everybody a sense of belonging in the family. And there's a lot of great tools to do that now. You can use canvases, tiles, they have metal pieces, even stick-on photos now that you can create your own family gallery.
I love that. Okay, finally, organizing chores.
Okay, so here's another time tip. A lot of times, one person gets stuck as the family maid. Can I get an amen from all the moms out there, right? And so having a family chore system makes all the difference. And I don't care if you use a chart or if you assign chores. In our family, each person has things that they do. I would starve without my husband. He cooks all the meals. I do all the cleaning. So everybody just kind of has their own chores. It makes the load a little bit lighter for everyone. It keeps your home clean, inviting, and it helps you reclaim your family time, which is what really matters.
It is really important.
And I have all of these tips on a blog today called Reclaim Your Family. Get organized and reclaim your family. It's the top post on our Restoring Order Facebook page today.
Thank you so much, Vicki.
Absolutely.
Thank you so much for coming in. We're going to take a quick break. We'll be right back.
Thanks for watching this organizing video by Restoring Order. Be sure you subscribe to this channel and check us out at restoringorder.com.